Lulu, the cutie. This is so cool. Hello.
Kom igen. Norge. Ja.
So today we are playing Norge A against the Isbrytarna. And game is starting. Let's see who's gonna get this damn ball. And yeah, we got it. Oh, what a smash. Looks it's a ball for the Blacks. Yes. Do we actually record the audio or not?
Yes, I wouldn't speak too much.
Ah, no, but that's the commentary then. Then we're good. I'm not talking back him. So where's the ball? Here we go. Go. Let's see. No. So we have Jan Anders going backwards. Everyone in position. We have two people in and our tactical wave. So one will go in. Kasper made a pass to Konrad. Then we have Jan Anders. This is Sibe. Yes, a good shot, but good. Nice try. Let's see. Now it's a corner. And we started. Kasper making the pass to Danny, I guess, number 3. Oh, they lost the ball. Come on, guys. No. Oh, that's in. Switching. Konrad will go out, and we have Danny in. So number 3 is not Danny. Number 3 is Sibe. Alright, they are lining up. Come on, go threaten them. Danny sprinting in. We have Sandra also in. And then Sibe, Jan Anders and Kasper out. Passing the ball to each other, waiting for an opening in the defense. Kasper lost the ball. Come on guys. Jan Anders getting to position for goalie. What the heck? What did they do? Oh, and that's a goal again. Goal. No, it didn't look like a goal. They replayed. Yes. Come on, Danny. Danny QT got the ball. Yes. Bad pass intercept. Oh, that's the threat. Kasper in position for goal. Come on, guys. Yeah, white team still has the ball. They're gonna have a threat shot. Here's the ball. Yes. Come on, defense. So we have a position of 1-3-1. One goalie, one chaser, and 3 defense. Oh, look at that, my little... Getting angry. Come on, Konrad. Warning for them. 2 warning, yeah, timeout. All right. No timeout. What's going on? Two teams separating? Yes, okay. Yeah, this timeout then. Because That's weird. The screen is doing weird stuff. Alright, they're getting in position. Oh my god, what was this? Went out. Went out. Good. Alright, go back, yes. Sandra has the ball. By himself. We have Poli just on the side here, sneaking in. And the game starts. Oh, look at that Poli kid starting the fight. Yes, close in, come on. No, they want to go, still be out. Sandra keeping the ball. Paul went out. Yeah. No, don't lose the ball, Yes, good Poli. Sandra. Come on, guys. We have 9 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. Missed. Alright, so everyone is rushing back home. So the team is Kasper there, Danny, Conrad went in. Oh, yes, Conrad got the ball. Yes, come on. Oh, we don't see. He went up all the way there. We got Danny. No, come on, mate. You can do it. Oh yes, yeah. Oh, that was Sibe. What a struggle. Where's the ball? The ball is here. There. Go in. Oh man, this is gonna be tough. No, missed. Nah, Sandra stopped it. Good job. Jan Anders has the ball. Give it to Sandra. Let's go, guys. Yes. Oh, screen again, doing something weird. Here we go. Poli. No. Yes. They have. Shot clock apparently is at 60. The clock is not running. Oh my god, they tried, lost the chance. No. Referee doing a sign I don't recognize. Oh, switch time, that's why. Alright. We got right now this screen. 1 for Isbrytarna and 0 for Norway. Let's go, guys. Someone is warm. Look at him. Oh yeah, you're hot one. Yes, of course. Oh, look at this one too. Oh, and the kitty one. Yes, the kitty one. Who's the kitty one? Oh. And here, Poli, he got very smart. He knew I was filming, so then he hides behind the goal. Cannot catch him. We have a little Conrad, Sandra, CB. CB drinking. Wow. Are you throwing the bottle like this? Where's the bottle? The bottle is there. Yes. Oh, he's curious. Poli is curious. Why is it? Oh, he's just kind. Look at the kind, polite Poli. Alright, so who's going to do the sprint? Ah, no, he's also hot. Poor guy. Oh, yes. Talking to the referee, my boy. All right. Let's look. Let's be serious now. They're about to start. Who's sprinting? I guess Conrad? I don't know. Oh no, Polly looks to be the sprinter. And there we go, starting. Come on, Conrad was faster than you be. And there we go. That was not very strong. Not a huge shock. Ball is here. And put Polly on position. Yes. One in, very active one in. This one. Oh, you're gonna lose the ball. Yes, Omar, that's my boy. No, they still have the ball. Damn it. Skew means shoot, I guess. So corner. Pass given. Oh damn it. No, it's not in. But I still have the ball. Oh, so what's the position there, guys? The middle one is there. Okay, we have a chaser, not chasing. Okay, that's a Christmas tree now. Out for corner again. Casper defended well. Good job, my boy. So switches, I guess. They're switching people. We have the 5 here in the screen. And Sandra fighting hard. Oh yeah. Giving over the job to our dear Sibe. Come on, my boy, what are you doing? Okay, let's focus. The ball is here. Oh my god, that's an in. That's an in. Casper. Let's see. Let's be quick. Let's be quick. We can do this. 2-0. 2-0 like this. 4 minutes left. 50. Yeah, okay, for 4.5. Let's see. Jonas. Yes, where you looking? You're looking. Yes, we have people. We have, yeah, Jonas went in. We have 4 people out, and now, yeah, now we are having our positions. They are ready to go and shoot. Come on, no, stop, intercept. CB and Jonas were in, and now they got the ball. Oh no, so was. Oh yeah, the ball was way back. Yeah, the ball is here. Yeah, nice control of the ball. And shot tried, but missed, but they still have the control of the ball, so it's sad. So they are 5 in defense now, it's 1 and 4. 1-2 actually. But they got the ball, perfect. So, Sandra. Yeah, giving back to Conrad. Conrad giving to CB. And intercept. So they lost the ball just when they were starting to be in position for an attack. Oh my god, you're riding him. And look at that, going quick. Where, push him. Oh. That was more than 5 seconds. I'm going forward plus. So where's the Bobili? Corner, true. Alright, let's see. Oh, and that's in. My god. Doing well. So I guess it's 3-0 and 2 minutes 45 left. Yeah, 3-0. Starting. There we go. Oh, whoa! bouncy body. That's Sandra. Come on, yeah, squeezing in. There we go. Yeah, Conrad making the shot but missing. Oh, and then now we have our dear cameraman Martin contributing also in bringing back the ball into the field. But yeah, oh my god, this is threatening. This is threatening. Come on, Sandra, you can do it. You know how to stop. Oh my god, you know how to stop the balls. Come on, guys, what are you doing? Wake up! Trying to get this ball out. Yay, managed. Good. Starting in the middle with Conrad. Wesley up, and that's Wesley up. Danny, cutie, and back to Casper. Conrad, waiting for Johannes. Giving to Danny. We have Casper in and Conrad in. Conrad trying something there. Oh yeah, keep control of the ball. Yes, good. Yeah, giving to Casper. Casper assessing the situation. The whistle from the referee, and I guess it's. Oh yeah, that's the fault they made. I don't even know what it is. But I guess it was support on illegal use of kayak, something like this. Maybe? Okay, Conrad. Yes, we have Johannes. Come on, a bit more energy, guys. You have 30 seconds left. No time to run the clock. Come on, Casper. Give some energy, yes. Fight for it, guys, fight for it. Yes. Oh yeah, Danny. That's it. Keep the ball. Come on, steal the ball. 10 seconds left. No. Oh yeah, good job. Come on. Shoot me. Oh. That's it. Good try. Lovely match to follow. Had fun. Let's see if we can learn a few things from our game today. Holy! Johannes. Casper. There we go. And then where is... Oh, that's a penalty! And the penalty went in! Oh my god, I missed that! Good job, Conrad! Danny cutie! And then, have I done everyone? I have done everyone. Oh, we got Paulie without the helmet. Perfect. Look at him. Yes. And Sandra is coming to say hi. Yes. And CB's here. So let's see. Yes, nice exchange. Cool. Yeah, class. A lot of style. Yeah, look at that. Handshake. Multitasking even more. Nice spirit. Lovely match. And it finished with, oh yeah, I guess 3-2. I don't even know. And goodbye.